Hi friends, swipe to change desktop. Swipe four finger left or right on your touch screen to switch to another desktop screen. Now you can use the same gestures on your touchpad screen. Swipe to switch to a specific application. Swipe three finger left or right on your screen. You will switch to the last open used application. Swipe up to open task view. Swipe up three fingers on your touch screen to view all opened application. Swipe down to minimize everything and swipe up to bring them back on your screen. Now swipe from the left is to show widget with one finger on your screen. Quickly find notification. Swipe with one finger from right east of your screen to show notification center. Turn on touch gestures. To turn on touch gestures, select start menu, then go to the setting, then Bluetooth and device, then go to touch screen, then enable 3 and 4 finger gestures. Thank you. Have a nice day.